Colombia and its economy. Coffee is a huge part of Colombia's economy, and a large part of that is because it has the correct climate to be able to grow the beans and make it the flavor that people seek. Part of the reason that the climate and the economy is great for growing beans is the volcanic soil, the high altitudes at which the beans can grow, the tropical climate, and also the frost-free ground. But not just having the right climate is going to be very beneficial to Colombia's economy. There are also a lot of different trade agreements, such as exporting ventures that allow for Colombia to be so successful in their coffee growing. ACPC, so the Association of Coffee Producing Countries, was organized in 1993 that aided in restoring the balance to coffee trading among many South American countries, including Colombia. This allowed for restoration of supply and demand, and also distribution equality against different exporting countries who export the beans. They're promoting the theory of sustainable development among these coffee growing countries. Exporting is a huge part of what Colombia does with its coffee, and so it has become more and more regulated through the years by ACPC. They set regulations such as price limitation. It's implemented to deal with the instability in the coffee prices to where the coffee is being exported, and also price per pound in Colombia. ACPC also implemented a plan in 2000, the Coffee Retention Plan, to reduce volatility in the market and to maintain the proportion of coffee that gets exported. Revival of the plan to hold more stocks did not give much impact on the market, but it further accelerated the price fall, unfortunately. So non-member countries, so non-members of the ACPC, started to supply more of the coffee. What happens when there's excessive supply, as there is now, the prices are dropping for the farmers. While most coffee consumption has gradually been increasing, aggregate supply exceeded aggregate demand due to the increasing production of coffee in countries like Colombia. So dropping prices are affecting those families that are farming the beans. Unfortunately, that is a general overview of the economics of the coffee in the Colombian nation, and I'm excited to see where it goes over the next few years. My name is Chastity, and thank you.